Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to open up a new tab in Google Chrome on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So it's fairly easy to do this. What we're going to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And there's a couple of ways you can actually open up a new tab. So the first thing you can do is actually come to the three dots in the top right hand corner. And if you give that a click, you'll see the option at the top which says New Tab. So you just give that a click and that's going to open up a new tab. What you can also do is right click on the tab you've got open. And you'll see there's an option there at the top which says New Tab to the right. Go ahead and give that a click and that's going to open up a new tab. You'll also notice there's a plus button next to your currently open tabs on the far right. And you can also use this to open up a new tab. And the final way to do it is if you're on a Windows 10 PC or laptop, if you actually hold down the control button, CTRL, and then press T, you'll see you can open new tabs that way as well. So that's a couple of ways of how you can do it. I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.